Hi ladies and gentlemen, I am back for another video, and I don't know if y'all can tell by my face, but I'm giving you a little bit of Whoopi Goldberg. I actually am doing a little bit of a tutorial on my eyebrows in a new product that I found at Target. You can get it from any sort of drugstore, and it is the easiest tool to use to do your eyebrows. I love it. It's not a pencil. It's kind of like a hybrid between like a tint and eyebrow pencil and like an eyebrow liquid gel eyeliner sort of situation. But before I get into that, I wanted to say thank you to everyone. I've hit 10,000 subscribers. You know, there will be a giveaway, but I don't want to talk about it too much because it's going to take some time for me to put together. So there is going to be a giveaway. I hate it when people tease stuff and then you're just like, girl, why are you telling me this? Because it's not happening right now. Just let me know when you're going to have the giveaway. Call me when you're ready, but otherwise don't waste my time. This is the Revlon Colorstay brow tint. So it is not a permanent brow tint, but it's supposed to be waterproof and smudge proof. So the applicator is just like this eyeliner applicator. There it is. That is what it looks like. I was a little bit skeptical of this product, but I was so intrigued by it because one look that I don't really like when it comes to my eyebrows is like that powdery sort of unnatural eyebrow look. This product, you can actually like draw your hair like strokes. I hope I'll be able to do it on camera as well as I think I do it when I go to work. Listen, honey, ain't nobody here professional. I'm not one of those makeup guru girls. I'm just a girl that loves to try new products and do makeup. Let's zoom in. Ooh, not the lace grown. You're gonna start by shaking it up. You hear that? This brow tint is in dark brown. Well, first you make sure you get the excess liquid off the brush. As you can see, it goes on like really liquidy. I outline my eyebrow, like the bottom part, and then I also do the top. It's actually coming off a little bit more reddish than it is in real life. So we got the outline of our brow. I'm gonna get a little bit more liquid. I'm gonna start doing the hairline strokes from the tail end of our brow. So as you can see, it really is coming off more reddish because it's not this red in real life. To the front of the brow and going upward. Look at that eyebrow. I actually really like it. It seems like there is a little bit of like a harsher line there at the bottom. I actually would have smudged that out earlier, but I let it dry a little bit. We'll do better on the next eyebrow. And when it dries, it feels like, what does it feel like? But it feels like a dried up liquid. And it doesn't come off. Hold on. So we're gonna go to the next eyebrow. Hopefully we do this one better, but usually this eyebrow is the worst because I cross over my arm to do the other eyebrows. That is way too thick. If it's too thick, just bring some of that up. Bring it up. See how feathered out that is? Oh, y'all. So I'm coloring this one in first just because I already started coloring it in because I made that mistake. Ooh, it's too thick. See this one? There we go. Liquid. Now we're just gonna clean it up a little bit because obviously I have stray hairs under my eyebrows. So I'm going to take my trusty, dusty LA Girl Pro Conceal Concealer in Fawn. This one is like the NC45 of the LA Girl Pro Conceal Concealer. Professional. Get around this. And then I'll just go over top. I'ma make up one end. I'ma make up one end. There we go. Okay. What's all right, bro? Bring some up front. Some bronze in that area. That's how I do my brows. Oh, they look good. Oh, I like them. So this is the finished product for my eyebrows. This is how I do my eyebrows every day. It takes me about 5 minutes. So y'all tell me if y'all have tried these products before and what products you like to use that makes your eyebrows look a little bit more natural, not so. That's it. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.